Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Kali Linux from your system. Yes, I have got many messages about how to uninstall Kali Linux after installing the Kali Linux. This is very easy to uninstall the Kali Linux from your system. So let's start. So, first of all, we have to download the Windows operating system. If you want to install Windows 11, you have to download Windows 11. You can follow the steps one by one to download Windows 11. And if you want to install Windows 10, you have to download Windows 10. I will give the link in the description below. And after that, you have to make the bootable USB drive. Click on the I button where you can learn about how to make a bootable USB drive in Kali Linux. Now reboot your system and boot your machine from a USB drive. In the BIOS setting, you have to make a USB as the first boot device. Or you can press the function key to go boot menu. In my case, F10 is the function key. Here you have to select this option. I am going with UEFI mode. Now here you can see the Ventoy menu. And here you have to select your operating system. It could be anything. In my case, it is Windows 11. So select Windows 11 here. Now here you can see Windows 11 installation is starting. Now here you have to select the system language, your time zone, and your keyboard layout. And here click on Next. Now here you have to click on the Install Now option. This is the first step to installing Windows 11 on your system. Now here you can enter the product key, or you can click on I don't have a product key option. Now here you have to select the operating system you want to install. I am choosing Windows 11 Pro. And here click on Next. Accept here the license terms. Check this box and click on Next. Now here you have to select this option for a fresh installation. Now here you have to delete the partition where Kali Linux is installed. So make sure you have some knowledge about your disk partitions. So here my first partition is the EFI partition, then the root partition, then the swap partition, and the fourth one is the home partition. So we have to delete all four partitions here one by one. And the last two partition are my partition, where my data is saved. So I do not delete these two partitions. Now create a new partition where you will install Windows 11. So select the unallocated space and then click on New. I am using the whole space here. Now click on OK. And here you can see partitions are created. Now select your partition and click on the next option. If you want to install Windows 10, you have to follow the same steps. You can make multiple partitions here if you want. If you have one partition here, you can make 3 more partitions here. It will take some time to install Windows 11. And after that, it will reboot automatically. Installation is continued after rebooting the system. So be patient. Now here you have to select your country and region. And then click on the Yes option. Now here you can also change the keyboard layout if you want. Add a second layout or skip this option. Now here you can connect your Wi-Fi if you get this option. And you can choose I don't have an internet option here. Now here choose the continue with the limited setup option here. Now enter the username you want to set for your new Windows 11. Now set the password for your Windows 11 or leave it empty. Here you have to select the privacy settings for your computer or device. Now your system is getting ready with a new operating system. So this is the Windows 11. So that is it. This is the way how to uninstall Kali Linux from your system. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next video.